We have had a mystery on our hands this week. The scholars in this room are the crew of the mighty ship, the Envisioneer. While in search of an ancient treasure, we were marooned on an island and a key part of our navigation map went missing. Of the entire crew, we considered 4 suspects. Today, you will hear the evidence collected against Dr. Smart and Shipwright Neff.
Hi, my name is Liam Fox.
And my name is Ethan Moulton.
We are going to be presenting information about lungs and emergency treatments with splints. Now I will be showing you how to use a splint in sudden emergencies with an arm injury. Alright, so the patient, then you would fold the splint in like that, and then put that there. And then come back here to tie it. And that was how you would make a splint. And use a splint on the arm. And then we will be presenting you about the lungs.
Okay, so this is my model lung. As you can see, it is a balloon inside a cup with a balloon under here representing the diaphragm. We need to have this clay on top so that when we pull the diaphragm, the air will not escape into the hole in the top of the cup, and it will inflate the balloon. So if we come over here, I will pull on the diaphragm, and as you can see, it inflates. And when the diaphragm goes back in, the lung will deflate. As you can see once more, when the diaphragm expands, the lung inflates, and when the diaphragm retracts, the lung will deflate. In conclusion, splints are good tools to help bone injuries. If you get a bone injury, if you cannot go to the doctor. And this model lung right here represents what a lung in real life looks like.
Welcome to Envisions. Today we will be talking about engineering. Chase and Adarsha will tell you about robots and truss bridges that they made. And now, Chase.
I am Chase, and in this summer camp, you can build your very own robot. You can program your robot on your device, and there's a bunch of levels to help you code your robot. Hold on. This is the robot that we built. Whoops. And you can also drive it. And Miss Christie is a great teacher to help you all the way. Now the bridge. We made the bridge by getting straws and paper clips. We made the bridge by using the paper clips and bend it, then put it in the straws, and then bend it into a triangle, then one square at the top. I don't know how to drive this. And
This camp is really fun, so come on down to build your own robot and truss bridge. We guarantee we guarantee you will have the most fun you will ever have in your whole life.
Hi, my name is Emma, and we are here to tell you about analyzing snake bites and dissecting a calf's heart. And now to Emily.
Hi, my name is Emily, and I'll be talking about the heart today. So, we did a heart dissection here at Babson, a dissection of a calf heart, and it was really fun because we got to go through it and look and see what a heart really looks like. So this is the aorta. It's the biggest part of the heart. The vena cava is a tube that pushes it out. Then you have the right atrium, the right ventricle, the left ventricle, the left atrium, pulmonary vein, and pulmonary artery. And now to Dre.
Hi, my name is Drea. What happened? I think I carried this stuff in my bag in case of an emergency. Come to the step. Sit and wait for help. That is how you heal a snake bite and do a heart dissection. Thank you for listening to our presentation.
Hi, we are scholars here at Babson College, and we're here to tell you about our blood splatter analysis.
When we did the blood splatter project, we got a large piece of paper and splattered blood from 12 inches, 33 inches, and 66 inches. We also did measuring how long the blood splatters were in millimeters. We also had to trace how long the blood splatters in millimeters, and that is what we did for the blood splatter project.
After we measured the blood splatters in millimeters, we had to find the average of the blood splatters, which we did by adding up all of the splatter measures and dividing them by 3. This was a crucial part in helping us solve the case of the missing man.
In conclusion, we found out who did the crime and had fun doing it. So hopefully you're able to have fun here at Babson.
Hi, my name is Alex, and this is Edie and Sophia. We are at Envision, where we learn about lots of interesting things, one of them being CSI. I'll let Edie and Sophia tell you more.
Hi, I'm Edie. I am presenting white powders. To figure out a mystery substance, we compared inside different powders such as cornstarch, baking soda, etc. We watched how they reacted to liquids such as water, iodine, and vinegar. We were then given a mystery powder and had to identify it by using information we got from studying the other powders to identify their qualities.
Hi, I'm Sophia, and I'm doing fingerprints. We tested fingerprints in cocoa powder and see who did it. What we did is we took a fingerprint brush and dipped it in cocoa powder. We brushed off the cocoa powder on the fingerprint softly, then shook some of it off. Then took the tape, put it on the cocoa powder, fingerprint, took it off, and voila. Even though this is not the professional way, we use the materials we have.